Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Grumpy Cat token on your Metamask. So once you've logged on to coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down. The link would be in the description of the video. And once you get to About Grumpy Cat, all you need to do is simply copy its wallet, its contract address, and with that, you minimize and open up your Metamask. So once you've opened your Metamask, make sure you possess BNB for transactions. And then you simply click on this import tokens. Click on import token, click on custom token. In the space for token address, you simply paste the address you just copied, and then the token symbol and the decimal would then be relayed. Okay guys, your next step would then be to simply click on import. And once you're done importing, you need to make sure the token is on your MetaMask. Okay guys, it's here. So your next step would then be to get some BNB. So if you do not possess BNB for gas fees and transactions, all you need to do is minimize and open up your Binance. Now with your Binance opened up, all you need to do is simply using our link in the description of this video, simply register and you're going to stand a chance to win $100 worth of trading fee rebates just by using our link alone. And now once you've logged on to Binance, make sure you've deposited some cryptocurrency assets here. Click on the deposit icon you see, and once you've clicked on deposit, search for any of these tokens you might have, or simply use the search icon at the top of the screen, the search bar. Search for any token you might have and simply deposit it here. Once you're done depositing, click on this wallets. Scroll over to spot, click on withdraw, and simply withdraw. Once you've deposited, simply click on this convert here and convert your token or asset into BNB. So let's say you deposited Tron, and 11 Tron is going to give us 0.039 BNB. So once you've done that, once you've converted, click on this wallet, click on withdraw, and simply withdraw your BNB by searching for BNB, and withdraw your BNB here by pasting your address and making sure the network is on the BEP20. And that's all. So guys, once you've deposited your BNB on your MetaMask, once the BNB is on the MetaMask, click on this icon at the top, at the bottom right, and you're taken to the pancakeswap.finance website. Link would be in the description of the video. Once there, you simply click on the token you would like to swap for. So let's say I want to swap my my FEG for some of the Grumpy Cat. Click on import, click on I understand, and click on import again. Click on max, and that's going to be giving us a very good amount of the Grumpy Cat for 0.37 US dollars. Simply click on swap, click on confirm swap, and now a smart contract call is going to pop out. And all you need to do is simply click on this confirm here. And once you've clicked on confirm, your next step is then heading back to your wallet. Once on your wallet, all you need to do is simply reload the Grumpy Cat. And once you've reloaded the Grumpy Cat, make sure it loads in. Once you've reloaded the Grumpy Cat, your tokens will then be deposited directly here. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how you can buy Grumpy Cat on MetaMask, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.